Good morning mga Kalami-Niners! Isang bagong linggo na naman ang ating pagsasaluhan. At ibig sabihin nun ay makakasama niyo kaming muli dito sa isang show na puno ng pag-asa at saya as we bring you stories of hope and success.
Yes, and we're going to have an inspiring episode today. Isang tinatawag na inspiring episode para sa inyong lahat. Regalo po namin para sa inyo.
Buhay na buhay si Tamagi ngayon. Check ka dyan, Tita Maggie! Check! Susan, I can feel that we are all on fire today. Ana and Soraya, fire baga. Ay, ba Ana and Susan na ngayon? Ayun, pala siya.
Kasama si Maggie.
Ay, oo, pala nakalimutan natin si Tita Maggie. That's very true, Ana, no? Ipapakita po namin sa inyo ang kwento ni Joey Cruz na nalapnos ang muka dahil sa isang aksidente. Up to second-degree burns po ang natamo niya sa buong mukha niya.
Anong nangyari yun, Susan?
Alamin natin ang kanyang kwento sa VTR na ito.
When he was rushing to me, hawak-hawak niya yung face niya. What happened to you? Kailangan maging strong kasi umahina siya eh.
Nung pagpunas ko ng tuwalya sa mukha ko, bakit may kasamang skin? Oh my God, nalapnos ang mukha ko.
Masaya, puno ng pangarap. Yan ang buhay noon ng bagong kasal na sina Joey at Techi. Subalit ang kanilang pagsasama ay sinubok ng isang aksidente.
Napansin ko, yung thermostat ng car ko, dire-diretsong tumatas, malapit na sa pula. So kinabahan ako. Pero alam ko naman talaga yung gagawin ko. Pagbukas ko ng hood sa harap, tumalsik yung cap ng radiator at yung first pulusok ng tubig, yun ang umano sa akin.
Nung makita ko siya, gusto mo mahimatay. Parang yung naramdaman mo yung pain niya at that time na sabi niya, Nay, ang sakit. Sabi niya gano'n. Siyempre burn yun eh.
Sa aksidenteng iyon, labis na bahala at natakot si Joey at Techi.
Hindi mo alam anong pwedeng itsura niya after that. How can you go back to work with that burned face? Yung feeling na paano mo siya ulit ihaharap sa tao? Paano mo ibabalik sa kanya as a wife? Yung confidence level niya.
Nung nakakita ko yung face ko sa mirror, doon ako nagpanic talaga na nervous ako. Kailangan kong maayos yung mukha ko.
Dahil sa paglapnos ng mukha, nag-iba ang itsura ni Joey.
Sobra. Ayaw mong hawakan, ayaw mo nang makita pagka every time nalilisan mo siya.
Bilang haligi ng tahanan, natakot si Joey sa aksidenteng nangyari sa kanya.
Hindi ko masabi. Kala ko hindi na makukorek yung mukha ko. Parang bagong hiwa yung mukha mo. Nung I was praying na sana okay ako.
Hindi pa rin nawala ng pag-asa mag-asawa. Patuloy na sinuportahan ni Techi si Joey. Isang araw, isang blessing na may tuturing ang dumating. Yan ang laminahin.
Yung first day ko sa umaga, 3, sa noon 3, tapos sa dinner 3. Kinabukasan, pag ulit ko ng 3 umaga, before lunch, nararamdaman ko parang kumikirot na yung mukha ko. I didn't know na yun pala yung trabaho ng laminine. Na talagang nire-repair na niya yung tissue ba sa mukha ko.
Nung ito-process nga po ako ng SSS niya, nagulat din yung SSS kasi 7 days pa lang, okay na siya. Ang bilis niya mag-heal.
Sa ngayon, walang naiwang marka ng sugat o peklat sa mukha ni Joey dulot ng aksidente. Yan ay dahil sa laminahin. Muling bumalik sa mag-asawa ang saya at pangarap nila. Magkasamang hinaharap ang magandang buhay ng isang masayang pamilya.
Sobrang thankful ko kay God. Imagine after all those trials na encounter mo sa buhay natin, pinalik niyo yung normal life mo, normal face mo, na kung saan pwede ka ulit mamuhay ng normal. We continue to serve Him and dun sa mga taong tumulong din sa atin na na-introduce sa atin yung laminine. Yun yung mission din natin na i-share din natin siya sa mga nangangailangan pa.
Wow, lapnos ang mukha ni Joey. Grabe talaga. So, akalain nyo ba na it's just another ordinary day, hinatid mo lang ang asawa mo, minutes later, disgrasya na pala ang naabutin niya.
O tinatawag natin itong aksidente dahil ito ay unplanned and unforeseen na incident. Hindi naman sinasadya, ano? He found Laminine at mas tamang sabihin siguro, Laminine found him, ano? At saka, Susan, parang milagro talaga ito.
Yeah.
Ibang klase. Alam niyo, wala ho siyang scarring. Nothing at all.
Wow.
That was what I wanted to find out, kung bakit hindi nag-shrink yung mukha, no?
Kala ko bakit tayo may scar. Love you guys.
We'll be back!
Welcome back po mga Kalaminers. Marami pong klase ng sunog or burn. And usually it is caused by heat o kaya mga kumukulong tubig. Marami pong iba-ibang klase ng burn. And today po, pag-uusapan po natin together with our panel of doctors, paano po nakatulong ang Laminine at bakit halos lahat ng karamdaman o problema sa kalusugan ay kaya nitong tugunan. So, Dr. Arlie, ano po ang Laminine? How can you define Laminine?
Una, Laminine is a dietary food supplement. However, it's not an ordinary one kasi ang kanyang effect ay functional, kaya functional food. It comes from natural food sources like the egg. However, certain things were extracted from the egg on the 9th day. Ang tawag niyan ay proto-embryonic stage extract. Now, there is power there to create life. So, when that's introduced to the body, apparently it supports the body function. So, like in this case where the person had burns, importante dyan is the repair of the skin. So, usually, mga functional food, it will help build, maintain, repair cells and tissues. So, kung ang tanong ay makakatulong kaya sa nagkaroon ng burn, the answer is obviously yes. So, with proper standard medical care plus functional food, that will be the formula.
Alam niyo, Susan, talagang madalas tanungin sa ating ng mga televiewers natin po, mga doctors, no? Why is it na itong Laminine, iisang capsule, pero lahat ng klase ng sakit, ngayon pati burn na rin na-address, no? Sabi nila,
Hindi totoo yan.
Hindi totoo yan eh. Parang
Imposible. There's no one
Imposible,
medicine that
oo.
can cure anything. Kaya sabi ko, hindi medicine to eh, di ba? So, Dr. Ria, bakit daw ganun?
Ang Laminine kasi meron siyang fibroblast growth factor. Almost all the cells of our body has fibroblast growth factor receptor.
Yes.
So pag may fibroblast growth factor receptor, yung Laminine may fibroblast growth factor, ibig sabihin, pag tinake mo yung Laminine, yung fibroblast growth factor, magbibigay siya ng function dun sa cell na kanyang pag-a-attachan. So, alam naman natin, karamihan ng disease came from damaged cells. So, pag nag-attach dun ng fibroblast growth factor, whatever cell that is, magbibigay siya ng signal that the cell needs to be repaired, regenerate, or rejuvenated.
Galing.
At meron siyang amino acids at saka meron na rin siyang vitamins and minerals needed by the cell and by the body to repair and to function properly.
If, for example, a brain cell can be changed or repaired, then any other cell can be repaired, isn't it?
In the advent of the medical breakthrough ngayong 20th century regarding stem cell po, alam po natin na ang fibroblast growth factor, pati po kasi ang stem cell sa katawan ng tao, meron siyang fibroblast growth factor receptor. So if Laminine has fibroblast growth factor and then can transmit signal to the receptor of the stem cell. So in the end, pwede niya pong ma-regenerate whatever stem cell that is. So ang brain po natin meron din siyang stem cell. So makakatulong po siya.
Alam ko, tayo lang ang supplement na may source ng FGF, yung fibroblast growth factor 2, the only food source. And ano naman ho yung HGH, yung hormonal growth hormones, compared to FGA?
According to the researchers, the mechanism is this. Whatever what has been derived from the 9-day-old fertilized chicken egg, the moment it reaches the brain, therefore the first problem is it has to bypass the gastric barrier, the stomach.
Tama.
Second, it has to go to the circulation.
Opo.
When it enters the brain, there's another toll booth there, the blood-brain barrier. Then the moment it enters the brain, according to the researchers, it will balance. The keyword is balance. The hypothalamic, that is the middle brain, the midbrain. That's where our emotions are centered. And then the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is the master gland
Pero maliit lang yun.
of the body. Yes, that's where the field of endocrinology comes in. Then andun niya lahat yung mga precursors sa hormones that will be released to trigger the the glands like the thyroid gland, the pancreas, the gonads, gagalaw lahat yan. Yun yung endocrinology. And then the other aspect is that it will also stimulate and balance the adrenal gland. That is the gland that is sitting on top of the kidney. That is where we get energy, metabolic expenditure. So, anabolic ang function. Ibig sabihin ng anabolic, yung building up of energy, building up of the body. Since nasa hypothalamus, yun yung mechanism na it will influence your emotions. Kaya nga it will influence the mind, the emotion, and the body. Very rare can you find something, whether medicine or food supplement, that will balance all three. The mind, the emotion, and the body. Kasi most is focused only on the body.
And doctors, I heard from Joey that yung scarring sa mukha niya was healed in 10 days. 10 days lang.
10 days.
In the repair process of burn victims, the generally scarring is an issue because the repair process is not complete, so there's scarring. And another thing that should be pointed out is that fibroblast growth factor is initially present during babies now when they are born. And as we age, the fibroblast growth factor disappears in our body. So it cannot be manufactured inside our body. It has to be supplemented. And
Wow.
you can find out that the only supplement available in the market with the fibroblast growth factor is laminite.
The good news is, it is in the Philippines.
Yes. And another good news is it's patented.
Yes, so ano po yan? May
Tayo lang
clinical
meron
studies
nun.
pa. Ano?
Yun na nga, no? That's one of the questions that we have from our Twitter, FB accounts, no? Ano daw ang difference nitong mga supplements natin at yung laminine? Bakit natin sinasabi na kakaiba tayo, no?
We have something that other supplements doesn't have. Pwedeng sila merong amino acid, vitamins, and minerals, pero ang wala sila po dun, yung patented na fibroblast growth factor. Ang pinaganda pa doon, sabi ko nga, kung nagtitake naman po, we are not against other supplements, by the way. Laminine could give a synergistic effect kung meron po kayong tinitake. But then, if you ask me if you choose among others, you could take laminine alone kung supplement lang. But if you have a maintenance job, make sure by the supervision of your doctor also, you need to take laminine and your maintenance drug. So, para po mas mapabilis yung recovery nyo at saka para ma-achieve nyo yung desired effect nyo with regards to your health.
I have one more question, doctors. Ako, my tendency to have keloid, no? Also my brother, no? And napansin niya, nawala yung, meron siyang operasyon sa tiyan dito, nawala yung keloid na almost 15 years na nandun na, umimpis na talagang nag-flat na sa skin. And for me alone, ganun din ang nangyari, nawala. Pati yung konting stretch mark ngayon, nawala. Bakit ganun?
Part of the repair process in wound healing involves the keloid formation, especially in individuals who are very prone to keloids. No? As time goes on, the keloids tries to repair itself and becomes umiimpi siya, lumiliit. But in most patients who are keloid formers, they become bigger, they become more prominent. And the good thing about laminine is they try to repair the collagen inside the skin and remove the keloids so that it becomes lighter.
Wow.
It's smaller. So
Nice.
eventually with time it could be almost not visible anymore.
Tama. Yan.
Kaya pala walang scarring yung ating kaibigan na si Joey. Thank you very much again, doctors, for another very helpful information para sa amin lahat, no? Laminine is a very special product. It is one of a kind. And again, we want to thank Life Farm Global US and Susan Barlin for bringing this miracle to our country. To date, we are on our third season dito po sa Be Alive, and you cannot imagine the countless of people being helped every day by this product.
Hindi po ito hype o kwento-kwento lang. Mga totoong buhay na nagbago dahil sa laminine. Magbabalik po kami after. Alive na alive pa rin tayo dito sa Laminine. Sigurado pong mai-inspire din kayo sa istorya ng ating mga inimbitang guests. Kasama po natin sila, mga advocate to share Laminine. I'd like to welcome Dr. Dennis Leonardo, Family and Insurance Medicine po. And of course, Dr. Arlene Perio in Actual Medicine.
At nandito naman po si Doktora Lolita Sunglao kung saan nandito ko po siya sa Amerika, isang dentist po.
Let's start our question with Dr. Venice. You are in the field of family and insurance medicine. So tell me about insurance medicine.
Actually, the practice of family medicine and insurance medicine is a combination. It complements each other.
Okay.
Because we know that with medicine practice, you deal with diagnosing and treating conditions or diseases.
So more of preventive, something
Yes.
like that?
You inject a little of preventive and disease management and then all the way to wellness
And
because it compasses several dimensions. So it goes beyond the physical state. So there's social, spiritual, all of those lumped in together.
Very
And
smart.
that's exactly why I was so impressed when Laminine was introduced to me because it's also somehow
It fits
encompasses all factors.
Yeah.
I appreciated the benefits. So it's not only individually, but also it could be like employers giving employee benefit programs.
Opo.
It's more of retaining good employees. So somehow it's a form of investment. So when you give certain privileges such as the employee benefit program in a form of insurance, health insurance.
You know, I am very impressed with what you are doing because not only the families are going to benefit from being healthy and not getting sick, but also you're more on the business of not making them sick, di ba?
That's correct. And not to forget also, you decrease turnover. So it's not really a joke, training new people when they leave the company.
Very nice. What is your observation on the people, are your clients that you have endorsed Laminine?
Well, somehow, the word itself with Laminine, it brings homeostasis or balance in the workplace. So with that balance, they are more productive and they are more efficient. So they wake up in the morning after a good sleep and they feel energetic and all the stamina. So after taking Laminine. So in most instances, those who are healthy, they maintain it. And those who feel sick, when they wake up, they would say that, I feel good when I wake up.
Labutan naman
So
ako
it's
sa
really
inyo.
different. No,
Yeah,
it's-
very nice.
And employers will be happy too because when their employees are healthy, they get to pay lesser premium for the health insurance. So
Yes.
claims
Are
really
lesser.
goes down. So
Insurance
yeah,
company stays longer.
that's right.
Di ba?
That's correct.
Very nice. And I heard that the two of you had been talking to each other for a while now. And so Dr. Arlie, ano po yung industrial medicine?
Industrial medicine, yan yung sinasabi mga company physician. Ang mahalaga kasi sa mga kumpanya, di ba, mag-hire tayo ng mga tao. Pasado na, qualified na. The final test is the physical examination.
Tama.
Pagka may sakit ang kandidato, hindi natin siya i-hire.
Tama.
O ngayon, na-i-hire na natin.
Tama.
Kaya natin ginawa yon kasi ayaw natin na magkasakit ang empleyado. Kasi tinetrain natin, di ba? Tapos magkakasakit lang pala. Ngayon, nasa loob na. Kailangan ma-maintain yun. So that's where healthy lifestyle that will help improve the health of the person in the workplace. And then at the same time, ito na yung latest development, we add functional food. Tuturuan natin sila na kumain sila ng maayos, well-balanced diet. Ngayon, may technology na ingredients coming from a 9-day-old fertilized chicken egg. Ibig sabihin ang source, pagkain din, itlog. Ang kinuha pagkain din sa loob ng itlog. That's where I found the Laminine quite unique.
Especially the fibroblast growth
Yes.
factor.
So-
Tayo lang ang source nun, no?
So, very perfect siya i-add sa balanced diet to enhance body function. Pag bumanda yung state of health ng ating mga empleyado, so there is less absenteeism, there is less claim, there is enhancement of work kasi
There's harmony.
mentally,
Diba?
emotionally, physically, they are healthy.
Tsaka doktor, di ba, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, ang sweldo natin hindi naman masyadong matataas. Kaso sweldo lang, I grew up in a family where pagdating ng sweldo ng papa ko, bukas wala na yun. Naka-envelope yun, naka-divide na pambayad ng utang, wala na. Hand-to-mouth existence. So, stress is very high, especially po sa mag-asawa.
Maganda, Ma'am Susan, pinag-uusapan natin yung mga stress. Kasi Doktora Sumlao po at the age of 72, she is very alive, alert, enthusiastic. Siya ang magsasabi anong nangyari sa buhay niya nung ginamit niya po ang Laminine.
I can't believe you're 72. You look young.
I met Olan sa airport. Papunta na ako. Pabalik ako sa Pilipinas. Nadidinig ko stem cell enhancer ko. Gusto ko yan. Bigyan mo akong calling card. So, naghiwalay na kami. Then I called him up. Then umattend ako ng seminar dito. Yun. Nag-umpisa na. I bought and then I took it.